Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can email your students using Google Classroom. There are a couple ways in which you can do that. I'm on the home page of one of my classes here, and if I look at the top here, these three links, I'm going to click on People, and what I can find is I can find all the students that are in my class. And what I can do is I can choose to have individual students emailed. I can also just click the top box there and have all the students emailed. And if I want all the students emailed, it's as simple as clicking all the boxes and then clicking on the email option there. And as all this comes up, I can see my different students there listed. If I want to make them primary recipients of this email, all I've got to do is move their name up here so they're not just other people that are added to it. And I can type my message in here. This message is about assignments. And then I can simply email all of them and say, to all students of my class, have my message there, and I can just send it out from there. Click on send. I'm not going to send it out, but I could click on the send there and the message would be sent. I can also send messages individually. I believe here, if I click on the three vertical dots there, I could choose to just email Karen Brasser and I could type the same message, type a similar message. Again, I'm not going to send that because Karen's handed her work in. So I can send the emails through the people option here, or if I click back here and I go to the page, main page there, I can also choose to, if they haven't handed in a certain assignment, I can choose to click on the assignment here. I can see their names there, and I can opt again to send a message through this envelope up here. And I can tell them specifically about an assignment that they haven't sent. So if I wanted to talk to Jerry Sanford, I could click on the envelope there, and there's Jerry's name. If I wanted to talk about what a great job you have done on the assignments, I can type the message there, and again send it, but I'm not going to send it because a lot of those things have been taken care of. And those are a couple different ways that you can go about sending emails to students. I found it's really powerful in my own classes to send emails to students and as well to the parents to let them know of upcoming quizzes. And Google Classroom be really nice about that and sending updates on when um, quizzes are upcoming and when assignments are going to be due. So, but that's just a way that I can send emails specifically about certain details to students.